much better if we focus on our own struggles and be kind to ourselves. You are not a failure. It's just that we have different kinds of stories, struggles, and successes in life. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
And Nali.
For today's vlog, papanoorin natin ang advocacy video ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming IAS ng Pilipinas 2024. And this time, it's going to be IAS ng Muntinlupa City. That's Maria Michaela Jean Legarda. So, without any further ado, let's watch this.
Looking back, I remember the pain, abuse at home, hurtful words, and online cruelty. I felt trapped in an unkind world, but over time, I learned that healing starts with kindness to myself and then to others. I once believed I wasn't enough, but I wondered, what if kindness could change that? That's when my journey of kindness, hope, and self-acceptance began. It started with small acts, notes saying, "You are enough," and keep going. I realized kindness spreads like ripples in water. A simple smile or kind word can change a life. I created a social media page to share positivity and kindness. Now, I invite my community to join me in spreading kindness, reminding everyone that we all matter.
Lang ako yung nagkakaroon ng symptoms ng mga mental health issue. Lahat din nagiging prone to times feel na alone ka talaga.
Pinakamasakit sa akin, kukumpare ko sa ibang tao.
Ganito na lang ba yung mangyayari sa college life?
What if maging mabait tayo, maging considerate tayo, maging sensitive tayo?
Simple thing na nagdudulot na joy sa tao is yung simple act of kindness. If you can give kindness, just do it.
Sa simpleng words na lang na sinasabi mo, malaki na pala yung epekto sa ibang tao. So,
their stories reflect mine, body image issues, or mental health struggles. The truth is, kindness heals invisible wounds and reminds us that despite our differences, we all deserve love and understanding. Through social media, I found others like me, seeking self-acceptance. I share my imperfect journey because it's real. In vulnerability, we find strength. Self-love is hard, but it starts with kindness, embracing flaws and saying, "I am worthy as I am." Muntinlupa will always be home. It's where I grew up, faced challenges, and found strength. Now, I give back, showing that anyone can rise above their beginnings. Kindness starts in our communities, through notes, social media, or a smile. Muntinlupa taught me that, and I'm passing it on. The stories I've heard show me that kindness is magic. It changes lives and is why I thrive. Kindness can make mental health a priority, save lives, and help everyone feel beautiful. Let's choose kindness for ourselves and others. In a heavy world, kindness is the light. Be kind. You never know whose life you might save.
Napaka-simple niya siguro, or hindi siya ganun ka-impactful tignan kung titignan mo lang siya at a first glance. Pero kaya nga sinama natin siya sa 5 pagre-reacta natin kasi it's very personal and ito yung representation ng kindness na advocacy. Parang in-incorporate yung kindness na nagustuhan ko kasi parang punong-puno siya ng puso. It's very simple yet impactful. Hindi lang siya kindness kasi yung natatakel niya or nasasakop niya. Nasasama na rin yung mental health. And then also yung most especially yung empowering other people, making them feel they belong. Kasi this is something or it's something na napapanahon eh. Feeling ko marami ang nagkakaroon ng depression or mental health issues kasi nagko-compare nila yung sarili nila sa iba, most especially sa social media, in which dapat hindi, kung pwede lang sana hindi. Kasi yung nakikita natin sa social media, hindi lang yun yung buhay ng personality or yung nung taong yun. Hindi natin alam, lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan. So, much better if we focus on our own struggles and be kind to ourselves. Never compare our successes to other people, or never doubt yourself or treat yourself like you are a failure, kasi you are not a failure. It's just that we have different kinds of stories, struggles, and successes in life. Ganun.
Correct, partner. Tama. I-enda natin to. Charing. Ano po masasabi ko? Ako siguro, the message is very, very simple, but it requires a lot to be, madaling maging kind na simple things, pero in perspective, in sometimes na, kunwari, for instance, me, I could be innocently kind dati, na, sige, kind to everyone, but life hits, di ba? Na parang, may mga manluloko, may mga scam, may mga you have to like protect yourself for not being kind all the time, parang ganun. Parang gusto kong sabihin is, what sticks to me about yung advocacy niya is being kind to yourself first. Diba? Kasi parang patawarin mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka makapagbigay ng genuine kindness sa iba. Kasi kung hindi mo pinapatawad yung sarili mo,
bakit may kasalanan yung sarili mo?
Hindi, like, you press too much pressure.
You blame yourself. Parang,
ganyan.
kasi parang kinicarry mo na yung failure ng ibang tao.
Oo, ganyan. So, yun yung nag-stick sa message niya, which is, yun yung real point talaga.
Pinaka-core na doon tayo dapat mag-start. Change starts within ourselves.
And it will radiate if you love yourself. Love will overflow to everyone that surrounds us.
But as much as we can, just, we try, or let's try to be kind na lang to one another, kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. So,
and parang giving good karma comes around. Kumbaga, babalik din sa'yo.
So guys, thank you so much at sinamahan niyo pa sa nagdaang video, and patuloy nating suportahan ang journey ni Hiyas ng Muntinlupa. That's Maria Michaela J. Ligarda. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!